In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SofaScore without running into ads. Very simple and easy. So ads are something that developers use to monetize their apps. They create and then publish it out there for people to use. Very simple and easy. So with SofaScore, you need to be on a plan. So let me show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is just tap on your profile here. You can see profile there at the right bottom corner of your screen. You just tap on that and then you tap on view plans here. Good. So they have some plans that they are more cheaper. So here you can see with the 40 cedis, with the 4 cedis, you watch no ads. That's monthly, faster load time, and it supports everything. So you can start with a free trial or you can go with yearly for 40 cedis. It should be 48, but then if you go for a year, you're going to get a discount. So that's it. You watch no ads. You just tap on the start free trial. You add the details you need to add and you're good to go. So credit card, local money transfer, depends on the country you are in. Very simple and easy and you're good to go. And after paying, you are not going to see any ads on the SofaScore, and I think it's going to be more faster. The app itself is very heavy, but then I think after you being on the plan, it's going to be lighter. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.